Hey, it's Krista with WTI. Have you ever heard the saying, you only have one opportunity to make a good first impression? Well, the BoYata laptop stand is going to help you hop on any conference call, serve the best angle, and give the best face for an excellent first impression. Some features that are going to protect my laptop as I use it over time are the silicone pads on the platform. There's one at the top and the bottom and on the hooks. And this is going to assure once I set my laptop on top, it's not going to be sliding around and it's definitely not going to roll off. And then also, if the laptop tends to warm over long terms of use, there are ventilation holes cut out on that platform and the heat can just come right out, and the aluminum material also absorbs some of the heat, so it never gets hot to the touch. If you're anything like me, there may be some days when you spend too much time sitting and working on your laptop. I felt at times my posture was a little bit hunched over and my back was stiff, my neck felt stiff. And now with this laptop stand, I realized that my posture has improved because I'm sitting upright and I'm looking at the screen directly at eye level. So whether you're concerned with having your laptop at eye level to make sure you're giving your best face during a conference call, or you want to protect your posture over the years, this product is a win-win, and that's my point of view.